In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the features and options in the dozer and greder run screens. Throughout this tutorial, we will display the dozer run screen, but the dozer and greder solutions work the same way. MC1 displays 5 different run screens. We start in the main run screen. The top bar shows cut fill value of left corner blade, side distance to selected line, cut fill value of right corner blade. The lower bar shows actual offset and offset type, design elevation under the tool point, actual elevation of the tool point, stationing, design cross slope, design long slope, actual cross slope on the cutting edge. Note: stationing is only available in 3D run screens. The main run screen is a split screen. On the left side, you see an overview map. On the right side, you see a cross-section view. Here you can see the tool point position on the cutting edge. In this case, the height tool point is on the right side of the cutting edge. We can change the height tool point location using the hard key arrows right and left. In this case, the side tool point is in the middle. We can change the side tool point location using the hard key arrows up and down. Below the cutting edge, you have a tilt indicator which will help you get the correct slope. You can turn this indicator off. We have different options on the run screen. Tap the run screen. Here we can go into 2D view, into overview, and back into 3D view. Use one finger to rotate your view. Use 2 fingers to zoom in and out. Use 2 fingers to pan the view. Remember to spread your fingers. Note: if you panned away from your machine, then tap the screen and press the crosshair to get back. We have 3 ways of shifting between the 5 run screens. 3-finger tap on the screen. Long press the left and right hard key arrows, or tap the screen and press the arrow. The second run screen displays the overview map. The rest of the information is the same as the main run screen. The third run screen displays the long section and cross-section view. The rest of the information is the same as the main run screen, except the stationing, which is not displayed on 2D run screens. The fourth run screen displays the elevation from the middle of the blade to the surface with the status color. The rest of the information is the same as the main run screen, except the stationing, which is not displayed on 2D run screens. The fifth run screen displays the cross-section view. The rest of the information is the same as the main run screen, except the stationing, which is not displayed on 2D run screens. Back at the main run screen, press the arrow to display the icon info bar. The icon info bar will display connect status, stationing, GNSS status including 3D CQ value, actual tool point position, GNSS elevation of known point. Press the arrow to return to the main run screen. On the lower bar, we have 5 options. First, we have the main menu button. The second button opens for active model selection. The third button opens for model options. Here we can adjust the height offset. You can manually increase or decrease the offset using the plus and minus buttons. It is also possible to press the equal sign to set the offset equal to where your blade is right now. Finally, you can tap on the number and manually enter an offset. Here you can enter your side offset. It works the same way as the height offset. The yellow square is a quick shortcut to the Model Options main menu, where you have more height and side options. press the X to return to run screen. The fourth button opens for sensor profiles. Here you can shift between the available sensor profiles. This dozer is set up to run with following profiles: dual GNSS on-cap solution, single GNSS blade-mounted solution, and TPS solution. With this button, you can enter 2D mode. The fifth button locks a single as-built point. Press Revert to remove the last locked point. On several buttons, we have multiple functions displayed with a grey small triangle. You can enable Auto in the left and right side of the blade. On a grader, you can also enable Side Shift by using the middle button. Let us go through the steps to enable Auto using the left side. If you tap and hold in the top left corner, a grey Prep button appears. This means that the auto functionality is prepared but not enabled. To enable auto, press the Prep symbol or the physical on-off button in your machine. The symbol now changes to a green Auto button. Note, if you raise the blade outside the auto range set in 2D settings, auto will disengage and the button turns red. Lower the blade to re-engage auto. It is the same process for the right side and for the side shift on graders. That's it. You have now learned how to use the features and options in the dozer and grader run screens.